Hello, ladies and gentlemen, back at you here. Andy from Rolling Hops Beer Tours with our weekly beer tasting from our friends at Kensington Brewing in one of Toronto's best, coolest, hippest neighborhoods, Kensington Market. Go right now. It's one of the best places in Toronto. If you haven't been to Kensington Brewing, go right now. One of the best breweries in all of Toronto. So have an awesome beer today. The name of our stout today aptly is called It's a Stout. Very aptly named indeed. So if you haven't had a stout, if you don't really like stouts, that's okay. We're just going to explore this one today. For our stout lovers, you guys are going to love this stout from Kensington Brewing. Go right now. So something particularly interesting about it, this is not a pure stout in that it actually is brewed with cacao nibs. So actually they do add cacao nibs in it. Also more rich flavors. You have a combination of oat and wheat and barley malt, so nice wonderful flavors there, as well as the cacao nibs. So you're going to get a lot of that chocolatey coffee flavor that goes along with it. So I'm going to give it a taste. Fantastic. Ooh, so many rich flavors, quite rich indeed. You can really, it is a stronger, more full-bodied stout. My preference. I love it, absolutely love it. Fantastic beer from Kensington. Make sure to check it out if you're wandering through the aisles of the LCBO or beer store, or if you're out of province, visiting Toronto. If you're in the neighborhood in Kensington, stop by, check it out. Go right now. Fantastic beer. Get yourself It's a Stout. Cheers, folks. And remember, craft beer is here.